Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my regular, my OG Ipsy Glambag, so let's get in and see what I've got. So before we go any further, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to tell you at the beginning of all of these videos. So if you've already heard it, I know you're going to be like, I know Catherine, you told us. I'm using new equipment. I know it looks different. I can tell just by looking at it right now, it looks different. In the picture I'm seeing, I almost look like I have a tan. I do not know how that would happen. I haven't been near the sun in months, but I am not tan. And I noticed that it's taping way lower and way further out. And that black you see right there is actually the bag that came in my FabFitFun box because I haven't taken care of all of those goodies yet. And it hasn't been a problem because with my other camera, you couldn't see it. So ignore this. All right, let's get in here and see what I've got. This is the regular Ipsy Glambag. It is $12 a month. You get 5 products. They are generally deluxe samples periodically. I'd say almost every month you will get one full-size product. They do not say that, but more months than not, I generally get a full-size product. Now, watch them prove me wrong this month. When I take it out of the bag, oh, it's all in my little bag. I love these colors. I was saying the other day when I opened this that I thought it was funny that if you are a Washington football team fan, this was really the original burgundy, or actually back in the day they called it maroon and gold. And then somebody said, no, Hufflepuff. At which point I just knew both of these bags, this one and my other one, have to go to my granddaughters for Harry Potter Hufflepuff. But this feels very light. Is there anything else in the bag? There is. Okay, let's dig in. Let me get in the bag and see. In my Ipsy Plus, I had no paperwork. In my Ipsy Ultimate, I had paperwork, and on the inside, it had the information we needed. So let's dig in and see what we have this time. So it is still September. Actually, I'm not sure when I put this up if it is still September. It's still September 2020, and it's good vibes. Let's see. It's so exciting, guys. I have the products. I hope that means that we can count on them again. I literally, for the last few months, because we couldn't count on their cards, I have this still sitting here because I wasn't sure. This is 7 pages of all of the products that were in my Ipsy Ultimate, my Ipsy Plus. Every month we have to go in and print this out. 7 pages of info because I want to be able to give you guys all of the prime info on the products. But if they go back to it and we can count on them, I can save all that printer ink. Okay, enough about that. Let's dig in. We'll start with this brush since it was on the outside. And it is a Shayna B, I would say contour brush. Does it say? It does on the, well, we'll take it out. I have a lot of contour brushes lately. You know what, guys? I'm gonna leave it in here. It says on the back of it, I hope it comes through. Right there, contour. And over here you can see it says Shayna B, but I'm gonna leave it in here. This tells me that it is the Shayna B Miami contour brush. Meet your contour powder's new bestie. Keep them together in your makeup bag and they'll live happily ever after. The angled shape is super easy to use no matter your makeup skill level. It gives you a ton of precision and control when sculpting your cheeks, forehead, and jawline. It is full size and they say it is a $23 value. The reason I laughed is they said keep it in your makeup bag and you'll have it. I find it ironic since they didn't ship it because it's too big for the makeup bag. It doesn't matter. I'm not taking this bye-byes anyway, but I just thought it was funny. Okay, reaching in next, I have the, oh, this is the AIA Beauty, and they say it's the clearly tinted lips. I know that I like this because I selected one of these, and I think it came with my Plus. I will put my other September boxes, my Plus and my Ultimate, as cards at the end of this in case you missed them. But I chose as an add-on one of these, because I chose my add-ons before I looked to see what was in my regular bag. But I love the color that I picked, and it is slightly different from this one, and I like this one a lot too. And I have actually used the other one. It's very light. It's more like a tinted balm, but it feels so, so good on your skin that I'm getting ready to cut my finger off getting into this, that I just know I'm gonna use them all winter long. Success, we are in. That is what it looks like. See how it's very dark, but watch. It's not super dark on your hand. You can go back and forth, and it's just kind of like a balm that builds. It is so, oh, that color is gorgeous. It's perfect for me. I like that a lot. I think it's called Berry. Let's read about it. This is the AIA Beauty Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Berry. I don't recall, oh, I can look at my paperwork. I was gonna say, I don't recall what my other one was. The other one was in nude, and although it was called nude, it was a real pinkish nude because I said this wouldn't be nude for most people. It is for me because it was super pink. This creamy crown is about to be your new makeup MVP. Just swipe it on and go. The sheer berry tint goes on easily and builds up without any fuss. That is true, that was so pretty. And the moisturizing formula, it feels ultra soft and cushiony on the lips without being sticky or tacky. It's a win-win, and I agree. I like this a lot. I picked it up in add-ons for, I want to say $3. I would highly recommend trying this. If you like a kind of a sheer balmy, but feeling glossy, but not as, give it a try. And this says that the MSRP of the full-size version of this is $9, and that would be 2.94. Oh, you know what? I bet I did the math on this. I did. So $9 for 2.94. So this one is about $4.25. There is something good that came from printing out all of those pieces of paper. Next, we have a Dewy Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. And it looks like it is a Korean beauty product. That is what it looks like. And let's read about it. If you are dealing with breakouts or congestion, this foaming cleanser is about to be your new go-to. It's packed with salicylic acid, a derm favorite ingredient when it comes to treating acne, and white willow stem extract to nix dead skin cells, excess sebum, and inflammation. And it says that if it was full size, it would be 150 ml and $32. Well, you know what? We know that I did the math on this. And I want to show you something else. So the math on this is, oh, interesting. This says that full size is $32 for 150 ml. I didn't know I was going to have this, and they didn't have it listed on the Ipsy site. So I went out to the internet, and where I found it on the internet, it was $17.59, and it was not on sale for a full size. So $32. I found it for $17.59. So I said that this was $1.75's worth. They would say it was $3.20 worth. That is all very interesting. Something else that has shown up again that, see, you guys are gonna see if I start pointing it out. I said it has grapefruit in it. When I do my own notes, I tell myself the things that I don't want to sample because I want to be able to pass on to you guys the things I can't use. And this has grapefruit. So that's like the third thing in my Ipsy bags this month that had grapefruit in it. So I will set this aside for a giveaway. And I will also take the opportunity to say, I love Ipsy. I know that over the last couple of months, we've been talking a little more about the changes with Plus and are they going smoothly, and they seem to be maybe missing a little bit of product. If you're fairly new to them, maybe you're not getting as many repeats, but if you get all of the boxes and you've been with them for a few years, there seem to be a lot of repeats going on. Something else they seem to be doing is kind of disregarding our profiles, because this was for, what they say, breakouts, congestion, excess sebum, and inflammation. And I have, everything I have says no acne, dry skin, super sensitive skin. This is clearly not for me. I'm just saying. Okay, reaching in next, I have a, ooh, passion fruit hand cream. I like hand cream, and I love the size of this because it will be perfect to keep up here, because I use so many of the wipes to take off makeup off the back of my hand that when I'm done with one video before I move on to the next, because here's a secret, I usually film several videos in one day. You guys probably know that because of my shirts, right? Anyway, I would love to have a hand cream up here that I could put on the back of my hand between videos. This is La Chatelaine hand cream in passion fruit. Smooth and soften hands in style with this chic little hand cream from one of our favorite French beauty brands. The nourishing formula is heavy on hydration, thank you organic shea butter and argan oil, but light on texture. This means zero greasy or sticky residue. And it says the full size version of this product would be 30 ml and $9.50. And this is 15 ml. So this is half size. So a full size 30 ml is only an ounce. So this is half of a size. So this is $4.75 worth. Let's open it up and see what, safety seal, what passion fruit smells like. Very thick. Can you see, guys, how thickly that came out? I love that in a hand cream, especially here in the fall, headed into winter. Oh, it smells so good. Wow, that is strongly scented. A lot of you tell me down below to let you know when things are strongly scented or that kind of thing, because I know a lot of times you're trying to decide whether to use add-ons. If you are sensitive to smells, I would not recommend this. It is very strongly scented. That said, as a rule, I am not on my body sensitive to scents. I am laughing. I'm gonna let you guys in on the joke. I am laughing because apparently I say as a rule a lot, and Jessica over at Everything Proof has called me on it, and she said she never knew anybody that really said that. And I apparently say it all the time. Yeah, it smells really good, but it is highly scented. But it did, can you guys see how shiny it made my hand? It's absorbing. It's still there a little bit, but it is absorbing. I mean, my hands are drying, so it will dry down, but it is still kind of there. But it is going to leave my hand very moisturized. And last but not least, I have from Tarte the Big Ego Mascara, and that is what that looks like. I'm going to set this aside for a giveaway because, truth be told, I still have a full size of one of these from a bag that I don't think I've used yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside for a giveaway. That is my full original Ipsy Glambag for September 2020, the Good Vibes edition. So I got the Shayna B contour brush, the Mayel tinted lip in berry, so pretty, the Dewy Tree Clean Lab AC Dew Foam, has grapefruit in it, the Lush Chatelaine Passion Fruit Hand Cream, and the Tarte, I didn't even read to you guys about this, did I? The Tarte Big Ego Mascara, which, by the way, is a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. We're here for it. This mascara coats lashes in ultra black pigments and gives them dramatic lift, length, and volume. And it even doubles as a conditioning lash treatment thanks to nourishing and moisturizing panthenol and babasu. Tip: for extra volume and length, wiggle through your lashes in a zigzag motion. And the full size would be $23. Let's look at my paperwork and see if I worked out. I did. The full size is 7 ml and $23. So this is still $8 worth of mascara. So I have made a note on here that I was going to bring up with you guys that it says my bag total is $41.75. Now, that's giving no value to the bag that comes with it. And I do believe that, I think that they've said in the past that they give it an $8 value. Any way you look at it, that would only give me a $49.79 value, and the bag is guaranteed to have a $50 value. Oh, you know what? The stuff that I found for cheaper, right? Yes, this Dewy Tree, the cleanser, I said was a $17.59 value because that's what you can get it for on the internet. They say it's a $32 value. So those couple dollars would be what it would take to get me over 50. So this bumped up to what they say it's worth, and then an $8 value on the bag is what it takes to get me over $50. It's still a good bargain any way you look at it. Just want to let you guys know. I know a lot of you kind of look at this with an eye toward, do you want to do this? Do you want to do boxy? Do you want to do the original? Do you want to do plus? If you have any questions, I am happy to talk to you guys about it below. A lot of people ask though, what is my favorite? And I have to tell you, if I were only going to do one, Ipsy or boxy, I would probably choose boxy. I'm just putting it out there. That said, the Ipsy original for $12, this one that I just opened, if you are new to beauty subscriptions, or if you don't want to get inundated every month with a lot of full-size products, I completely understand. Or it's a really good value if you don't want to commit a lot of money to a beauty subscription. This Ipsy original for $12 is a great value. But moving up from there, I probably prefer boxy. That said, a lot of it is because I prefer makeup. I like skincare, but you guys know I have issues with several products. Actually, it's not many products. They just seem to be in everything. Grapefruit, licorice, and basically the vitamin A's. But it seems to be in a lot of products. So my preference is makeup, and I get more of that out of boxy. I know, I'm doing an Ipsy. Why am I talking about boxy? Just because I want you guys to know. I always want to be super honest with you guys about, you know, what are my favorites and why. I could make an argument for either Ipsy or boxy. It just depends on what you are looking for from a monetary perspective, from a skincare or makeup perspective. Happy to talk about it with you guys below, so I'll quit going on about it now if you'd like. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.